You need to slow down. You're eating too many. Come on, Vincent. Vincent, get down. Take little bites. Take little bites. Why are you laughing? Vincent, take little bites. Vincent, little bites. Here. Yeah?
I found a little bite.
I think you just dropped it. How do you? Vincent. So now you're crying? You gonna take little bites now? Why not? You are so dramatic. Vincent, you need to slow down. Slow down. Vincent. Vicente. Slow down. Okay? Okay? Vicente. Will you slow down? Can you slow down? Vincent, can you slow down? Why not? Why not? What? Because I You're so crazy. Vincent. What? What was that?
Car.
Oh, it was a car?
What's that?
What? What was that?
I did.
What was that? Vincent, what was that? What? You don't know? What was that? What? What is it?
Look.
You're getting my window dirty. You're getting my window dirty.
What's that?
It's a van.
Huh?
It's a van.
Where?
Let's go right there.
Where?
Oh, there's another one.
Where?
And another one. Okay, say bye. Say bye. Hey. Say bye.
Mom! What?
Makai, say bye.
I ate so much.
What?
I ate so much food.
You
And
ate-
I'm 20 big.
Oh, you got bigger?
Yep.
Because you ate your food?
Yep, I eat all the food. I just eat all the food.
You're so crazy.
I made business.
No, you're not going to eat Vincent's. That's what, hey. That is not nice to steal other people's food. Oh, stop it. You guys are evil.
I want my watermelon.
Someone, what?
My watermelon.
Some what?